everybody, it's Gail from the Happy Stamper. Thanks for visiting with me today. I've got a fun project for you featuring Paper Pumpkin, which is a monthly subscription that comes directly to your door. $19.95 a month, includes everything to complete that month's projects, and it's a wonderful kit. I love it. It makes a great kit, perhaps for Mother's Day, a baby shower gift, all sorts of things. And each month the project is different. So it's a great gift. You can sign up for 3, 6, 12 months. You can put it on hold. You can, take a month off or so if you like it. But Paper Pumpkin is awesome. So I'll have a link down below in the description box for you that will take you over to my website where you can get more information and sign up if you would like to. So this month's kit was adorable, absolutely adorable. Everything comes in a contained bag with all of your projects, and there's instructions. You can watch a video. There's all sorts of goodies. I always end up with way more leftovers. But these were the projects. It's a darling little note set and a box. And of course, it's sea-themed and summer-themed and anchors and all that cute stuff. So it comes with this adorable little box, kind of like a pizza box, but it slides out. So let me show you. These are the 4 cards, and everything has a matching envelope. These are the adorable cards that come in the kit. I just made one of each right now. Isn't that gorgeous with the foil? Oh my gosh. So they're 3x3 cards, perfect for gift giving, attaching with a bottle of wine, or if you're, taking a hostess gift, or just want to tell someone that you're thinking of them or that they are your anchor. But these are adorable, and they each come in a set, and so you can make, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. 4 gift sets. So how perfect are these? I love them. And it's so important, I think, to be kind to people and just give them a little gift. And nothing says love more than a homemade gift, right? So if you're invited to a barbecue or going to someone's home, just take a little gift. I always do. Hostess gifts are super important. So these all go in this adorable little box, and then the top slides on. So you get, like I said, 4 of these gift boxes that are adorable. So that is the kit right out of the box. So I made the cards, I made the project, and then I thought, well, I want to make something else. And I haven't made a sampler in quite some time. And I thought, well, I need to do a summer sampler. And so I used my Paper Pumpkin kit, and this is my sampler. Isn't it cute? I love it. I hope I can get all of this in the shot. I'm sorry if I can't. I thought I might be able to. But yeah, so what I did was I cut the cards down, and I used those for my 3x3 background. So I just took the cards and I cut them down. I cut them in half, and I used them for my background piece. Now this is on a white piece of 12x12 cardstock. I then used the polka dot, which is in the Calypso Coral, and that comes from the 2016-2018 In Colors pack, and I used the polka dot. And then I mounted it on a piece of I have a, my base, my first layer. This would be my second layer, which is kind of a soft sky, very similar to our soft sky. It was just in my stash, and I'll have all these measurements for you up here on the screen. And so I just used that soft sky colored, it's a striped paper that was in my stash to add an extra layering mat. And then I mounted a white piece which measures 10 inches for all of the squares to go on. So my base is 12 by 12. My first layer, which is the polka dot layer, that is 11 by 11. My second layer, which is the sea foam green or the sky blue, is what I'm kind of calling it. That second layer is 10.5, and then my white mat that all my squares are on is 10 inches. And I think this is just beautiful. So let me just kind of zoom in a little bit and I'll show you all the things that I used. So of course I used the adorable stamp set that comes in the kit. And there's little phrases that say, "You're a lifesaver, adventure awaits, you're my anchor, congratulations, ahoy," has this adorable lighthouse. So I used that. I also used message in a bottle. Love this. This was perfect for this. It's almost like it was made for it. And so that's where the whale came from. That was the whale here and the adorable bottle. I also used the octopus from the same message in the bottle, and I think that was it. Yep, I used the octopus and the boat, the bottle, and the water. So that's what I used to create those cards. And let's see. Okay. Then I used in the kit, it came with die cuts. The die cuts here of these anchors, those come in the kit and they come on a big sheet. And you get anchors in the Calypso Coral and the Island Indigo. And then you also get life preservers and the pretty lighthouses. Darling. So that's what I used here. And then to do the whitewash background coloring on this square as well as this one and this one down here, in the kit you get your Island Indigo. And so I used that, and I just used my water brush and I just tapped my ink on one of my blocks and picked up the color and whitewashed with my water brush. Super simple. So that's how I created those backgrounds. And then I just chose my 3 backgrounds that I wanted to use. So I used the Island Indigo striped. This one was really cute with the waves, and it's got 2 little hearts, but the little hearts got covered up here as well as on here and here. But that's okay because I added hearts elsewhere. But these were the 3 that I wanted to use. And then I just cut the cards in half, and I have 3 perfect 3x3 background mats. So that's how I did those. And then in the kit also comes some twine, which is adorable. And then I used, for the sentiment in the center that says best day ever, I used birthday blossoms, and this is going away and I am so sad because I just love it. It makes the prettiest just images with this watercoloring. So that's where I got the best day ever, because I don't know about you, but when I come from the shore, we used to live out in New Jersey, there was just nothing better. The day was perfect. So that's where I got my sentiment. And then to make this cute little sailboat here, that stamp came from Swirly Bird, which is another one that's going away, and I'm super sad. So I used the stripes here and then the little boat. And that's how I created that image, along with the waves that come in the stamp kit with Paper Pumpkin. There's a little wave right down here at the bottom, and that's how I created those cute waves. Then on this square, and I don't know if it's going to show up, but I put Wink of Stella on my ice cream. Sorry guys, my battery went dead. Okay, so I was talking about this set, this little square here, the cute little ice cream cone that I added Wink of Stella to, so my ice cream is all frosty and shimmery. And I did the background stamping, again from Swirly Birds, that has this cute little ink splat back there, and I used the boat for that square. But for my ice cream, I used the bundle Cool Treats. And I used, let's see, these two with the waffle cone. I'm a waffle cone girl. I love that. Although I love these two. But those are the two that I used. And I just stamped off. I did the stamped off once to create the lighter shade and then direct stamp from ink pad onto my next layer for kind of a drippy layer on there. So that's how I created that one. And then I just did the same thing here with the anchor and the life preserver, and I did the whitewash, little water pen whitewash background. And then for my last square, I stamped the lighthouse, and that comes in the paper pumpkin kit. And then I just added some little seagulls flying. I did the waves, and I added some of this cool twine, and I kind of twisted it a little bit. I don't know how you make, you know, like sailor knots, things like that, but I do love the whole look of it, and I added it on this square as well as here and up in the top left hand corner. I also added from the kit some wee little gold hearts. I don't know if you're going to be able to see those, but I added some of these cute little gold hearts just sprinkled around the page just to give it a little, I don't know, something something. So there's one up there. So that is my sampler for you, you guys. I hope you liked this. I hope you enjoy the cards and the cute little gift box as well. This is just a wonderful, wonderful set. I've enjoyed this tremendously. So there you have it. You can stretch your paper pumpkin, make lots of different projects, but the one that comes with it is so cute. And then of course you can see I've got a sampler now that I can hang in my frame and display it in my family room and kind of get the whole shore and summer vibe going. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask. Just leave comments down below. I'll have links to my website, to my online store, my blog. Everything will be down below the description box. So just click on that, show more, and that will take you to it. So there you have it, you guys. As always, great big hugs from me to you. I appreciate you watching tremendously, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye.